Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Intercompany AR Report section within the Collector application of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Collector app, he or she can view the Intercompany AR Report by simply clicking on the Intercompany AR Report tab. The data is loaded and the user can see all the accounts receivable and other particulars across various entities of the same organization in the form of a pivot table. The user can drag and drop existing fields in order to manipulate the data that is displayed. These fields can be customized and edited by clicking on the field chooser. Once all the changes are done, the field chooser can be closed. In order to reset all the changes, the Reset Field button can be clicked. The current configuration can also be saved using the Save As button and typing in a name. Also, payment details for the accounts receivable across the entities of the organization can be updated via the source of truth of Tally by simply clicking on the Update Payment option. The data which is present in Tally will be synced automatically to this Intercompany AR report. Finally, the whole report can be downloaded as an Excel sheet by clicking on the Download Report button. Thank you for watching.